subtraction up to 10. Introduction to Subtraction. Hi kids! We have another great adventure. We will be learning about Introduction to Subtraction.
To subtract means to take away or to minus. Let's look at some examples to help us understand subtraction. We have 8 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If 3 oranges are taken away from 8 oranges, then how many oranges are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 oranges are left. The subtraction sentence for this is 8 minus 3 equals 5. Let's use another example. There are 9 frogs. When 2 frogs jump away, how many frogs are left? Well, we can see that there are 7 frogs left. And we can also write the subtraction equation as 9 minus 2 equals 7.
I bet you can do it on your own now. Wanna try?